Dear all, today let us learn basic mapping using the software Divagis. Now the software is open, and first of all let's load the layers which we need to include in our map. When we are clicking the layer option, we will go to the directory where we have stored our layers. We are trying to map the distribution of macaca silences in India. First of all, let's load the outline of India. Then let's load the shapefile which is showing the outline of distribution of macaca silences. Let us change its color. Go to properties. Click on the rectangle. We can select solid fill with a suitable color. Click OK. Then the border color can be also selected. Same color or a different color as you like. The size of the outline can be increased. By default it was 1. We can change it to 3. Click OK and apply. Close the dialog box. You can see the distribution of macaca silences, and you can change the name of the layer. For that we have clicked on the layer, left click and properties. Instead of the default name we can change it as we were on the data tab. You can see on the left bottom corner 2 tabs are there, data and design. Up to this we were on data option. We are now changing to design option. When we are clicking on the design option, we will go to a new blank page. Ensure that the x and y coordinates of this blank area is shown as 0. Both are 0. Click OK. You can see the map over here. Now we will include additional components of our map. We can include a north arrow. Different options are there. You can select any option. We will go with the type 1 itself. After selecting that, click at the location where you want to place the north arrow. It has come there. Now we'll go for the scale. So this is we are showing the whole country and the distribution of macaca in the whole India. So we can show it in kilometers, 4 kilometers and a distance of 100 kilometers. 2 labels. Okay. We can keep it with an outline if we want. and where you want to keep the scale, you can place the cursor and click. Now we can add a legend. Click on the legend tab. Here we have two layers and the details of both the layers are shown here. We don't want to show the legend for India. We will unselect it. Distribution of macaca silences is already given there. Again, you can keep it with an outline. Click on the place where you want to show the legend. Okay, the legend also has come there. Now we need to name the nearby states. For that, we can go for the text insert. You can write Kerala. Click where you want to place Kerala. Again, you can change it as the next nearby state. It is Tamil Nadu. Click in Tamil Nadu. And the other one, Karnataka. Suppose if you want to change the font or something like that, you need to change the font here. You can change the color of the font, size of the font, etc. here. But for the time being, we are not changing it. Okay, with this, almost all components of the map is over. You can insert title of India also. For that, it is better to go for a larger font. Okay, then you may type India and keep it in the middle, India. So the map is complete. Now you can save the file with a particular name, distribution of macaca silences. You can save it wherever you want. You have already saved it. Open it with any app that manages pictures in your computer. Crop it appropriately. You can save a copy. So these are the steps for making a basic map in Divagis.